Hello students and a very good morning to all of you, and this is Brajesh Singh and I am going to discuss with you financial accounting unit 4. Topic is uses or role of computers in accounting. This is a part 2 or lecture 2 of that particular session. So now I am going to discuss with you that. So in my previous lecture I discussed with you various terms of accounting, computerization, and different aspects of computers in accounting and some example. Let us discuss with you the applications of computers in accounting. So most of the popular system of recording accounting transaction is manual, as you know very well, but it requires maintenance of books, accounts such as journals, books, such book, and other things. Ledger are also there. So accountants is required to prepare the summary of transaction and financials manually, and that advanced technology involves various machines capable of performing the different accounting functions is also there. So this is a new generation, new terms of like examples of billing machines are also there, and this machine is capable of computer discounting, adding, and other things. So with a substantial increase in the number of transaction machine are was developed for the good stores and process accounting, and that I discussed with you, and all these things, such advancement leads to into the growth of successful enterprise and newer version of the machine is evolved with the increasing speed, storage, processing capacity, compared to which these were connected, operated, and these machines, as a result of the maintenance of the accounting records, become more convenient at special computerized accounting. So, application the computerization accounting use the concept of database, and for that things you know very well that what the purpose of accounting software are used. So different kinds of accounting software are used like Tally and other things are there. The computerizing system, it has always been necessity to create and maintain the journals, ledger, and others part of the manual accounting. So some of the commonly used accounting software are like Tally, Cash Manager, Best Bookie, Busy, etc. So all these things are the software of related to the accounting and computerized accounting. Accounting software is used for implementing computerized accounting, and computerized accounting is based on the concept of the database. So basically, it is based on basic software and which is allowed access to data maintained and in the database, and it is system manage the collection of data, ensuring the same time at that element is reliable and confidential. And the following are the applications of computers in accounting. First thing is preparation of accounting document. So this is the first application. As you know, where a computer helps in preparing computer accounting document like cash, memo, bill, and invoices, and the preparing accounting vouchers. Second thing is recording of transaction. Every business transaction I have recorded with the help of computer software in that particular accounting system, and logically scheme is implied and confident and the codification of the computers and transaction. Every transaction out is assigned to unique code which has put into a particular use, and this is used to simplify the work of recording transaction. Third thing is preparation of trial balance and financial statement. After that, you record the transaction, then data is transferred into ledger account automatically and by the computer. So after that, the balance and trial balance is prepared. तो जो भी transaction आप record करेंगे वो automatically ledger में transfer हो जाता है. So then you have to prepare the trial balance as prepared to check the computer to check the accuracy of the records, and with the help of this trial balance computer can be programmed to prepare trading and profit and loss account. तो with the help of trading trial balance से आप जो है फिर ट्रेडिंग और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट को बैलेंस शीट को बना सकते हैं. तो दिस इज अ सिस्टम. कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग क्या है बेसिकली, तो transactions processing system TLP or TPS is the first stage of computerized accounting system, and purpose of that TPS is a record, process, and validate the and store the transaction that occurs in various function areas of business. Subsequent retrieval and usage also there. TPS involves the following steps in processing a transaction: data entry, data validation, processing, and revalidation of storage information and reporting. And it is one of the transaction processing system which is concerned with the financial transaction only. When a system contain only human resource, it is called the mutual manual system. When it is used only the computer resource, it is called computerized system. And when it is used both of a human and computer resource, it is called a computer-based system. So these can be steps can be explained in example with making of the automatic teller machine ATM facility by banker customer. So the first thing is data entry. So processing of receiving data entry, a bank customer operate an ATM facility to make the withdrawals, as you know very well, and all these things action taken by the consumer continued. And data which is processed after the valuation. तो जो भी valuation है machine उसको आगे बढ़ा देती है computerized personal banking system से. Then validation हो जाता है. It ensures the accuracy of reliability of input data and comparing the same with the some predefined standard are known as a known data इसको हम कहते हैं. जो भी आपका डेटा कार्ड में होता है उसको रीड कर लेता है, उसके हिसाब से the validation made is error detection or error correction procedure. The detection or correction के procedure then it control the mechanism, whereas actual input data is compared with the predetermined norms in mean to detect the errors, and while errors correction is predetermined, make the suggestion entering correct data, etc. The personal identification number PIN is also there of the consumer to validate with the known data. तो अगर आपका डेटा सही है और आप सही आंकड़ा डाल दो, आपको पिन मांगा जाता है. तो पिन नंबर इसलिए आता है ताकि आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि हाँ यस दिस इज अ पर्सन और जिसका ये अकाउंट है. इट इज इनकरेक्ट सजेशन इज मेड टू इंडिकेट द पिन इज इनवैलिड. तो यहाँ पर दिया गया है वंस द पिन इज वैलिडेटेड amount of withdrawal being made is also checked to ensure that it does not be exceed pre-specified limit of withdrawal. तो ये भी चेक किया जाता है कि कितना आप प्रोसेसिंग एंड रिवैलिडेशन होता है. Sometimes the processing of data and occurs almost instantly than in case of online transaction or OLTP are provided, and valid data has been fed to the system. This is called a check input validity. So revalidation occurs to ensure that the transaction is termed of the validity system. Money by the ATM when we go for deliver has been duly completed. This is called check output validity. Storage process action as that described above and result into financial transaction or the withdrawal of money by particular customer are stored in transaction database and comprise personal accounting. This makes it absolutely clear that only valid transactions are stored in the database, and information that stored data is processed making use of query facility and produce the desired information. Then reporting. Reports can be prepared on the basis of required information contained according to the decision making. Needs and requirement of computerized accounting. Why we go for the computerized accounting? There is a need for computerized accounting arise from the advantage of speed, accuracy, lower cost, handling business transactions. These have been explained. Numerous transactions are there. The computerized accounting system is capable to handle the large number of transactions in speedy and in accuracy, and the instant reporting is there. Computerized accounting will provide the accuracy of quick and quality reporting because of the speed and accuracy, and reduction in paperwork is also another reason. And manual accounting system require large number of physical storage space, keep accounting records and vouchers and document, and requirements of stationery and other things. So, but there is a need to reduce the paperwork and expenses of large volume of books and book information there. Flexible reporting is also there, and reporting is flexible in computerized accounting system. And usage of other things. Online facility is also there. Computerized accounting system of online facility to store and process the transaction data in with having the information generate and review the financial reports. Scalability. Computerized accounting system is full equipped with handling and growing transaction of fast growing business enterprises, and the requirement of additional manpower is accounting department is restricted to only the data of operating additional vouchers. There is absolutely no additional cost of the processing. Accuracy, the information contained reports is generated by the computerized, and accounting system is accurate and therefore reliable, and decision making is also on the basis of that accurate system. And manual accounting system report the manually restored incorrect sometimes cannot be reliable upon that. Security is also there under manual accounting system. Very difficult to secure to such information because it is open to inspection by anyone of the dealing of the books and other things. But in computerized accounting, no one can be seen and no one can be dealing with them because it is locked by the system. Then basic requirement of the computerized accounting is of in computerized accounting system. Basically, basic requirement of computerized accounting system are those, and the accounting framework is there. It is application environment of the computerized accounting system, and healthy accounting framework is term of the accounting principle, coding, grouping, structure, precondition of the computerized accounting system. Operating producer, well convinced and is design operating producer blended with a suitable operating environment, and enterprises in necessary to work the computerized accounting system. The computerized accounting is now one of the database-oriented application where the transaction data is stored as well. Organized database. The organization under such as database using required interface and also take the required storing by suitable information. So this is all about the applications and uses of computer accounting and computerization, accounting computerization accounting, and various benefits and terms is also there. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much.